This was one of our cane workshops based on my expression of the Cane Fighters International curriculum combined with my own personal flavor that comes from Boondock Eskrima. This was a fun day. Everybody was really enjoying themselves, training in the art of cane fighting. Now, cane fighting is something that is becoming more popular with people who are out to train to be citizen defenders. The cane is an ambulatory aid, but it is also a potential tool of personal protection in a worst-case scenario. Blunt impact weapons training of any kind like this can be transferred to many other weapons. Here is a little example. Snap him in the face and puts his hands up to cover. That's still gonna hurt. That's still gonna break stuff, right? And again, my targets are gonna be ones that matter. So the knuckles, the wrist, even with a cane this heavy, I can the elbow, tip of the elbow, forearm's fine. With a heavy cane, it's gonna cause damage. But yeah, if his hands are already up, I'm smashing the hands. Okay. If he's here beating, boom, I'm hitting him first, and then if that gets his hands up, I'm not going to change my targeting. I'm just going to come through and get what I can there, and then I might follow up with a bayonet strike or something because distance will get closed. The training was a lot of fun, and it was really nice to show this stuff to new students, people who have never done this before. I love how the cane kind of bridges the ideals of traditional martial arts, combatives, and self-defense all around this special tool that we have available to us, this ambulatory aid that can be used to really give an advantage of force application if we are trained with it. However, even without training, the cane can be used instinctively and effectively just by simply having good tactics and the ability to swing a tool hard. Basic athletics can teach you how to move your body effectively for weapons such as the cane. And good training can vastly amplify your abilities with a cane. If you want to learn more about cane fighting and other forms of self-defense and martial arts, please support my Patreon. And if you are from Cranbrook, BC, come and check us out. Trials are free. Thank you.